Hi guys, welcome to Karyna USA. In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 most popular slang words that Americans use in their everyday life. The first one will be hanging out. That means relaxing or spending time with your friends. You can say, I was just hanging out yesterday.
Hey, we should probably hang out more. Oh, totally, yeah.
The second one is Dunno. This is an abbreviation from I don't know. It's pretty popular in the United States. You can say, I don't know which train should I use.
You don't know me.
The third one is dude. It primarily meant a person who dressed in an extremely fashionable manner, but now you can use it to call a friend or a man.
Hey dude, what's up?
Hey dude.
The fourth one is no worries. You can use it instead of I don't worry about it or it's okay. No worries.
No worries, man! No worries! Thank you, dude crush!
Number 5 is I'm in. This is a way of saying count on me. For example, if your friends are going to the movie and asking you if you want to go with them, you can say I'm in. Number 6 is feeling blue. It's feeling depression or sadness, or if you miss someone. For example, I'm feeling blue after my boyfriend left. Number 7 is creepy. That word describes a weird or strange person. For example, that guy on a beach looked creepy.
Creepy.
Number 8 is screw up. That means to make a mistake or mess something up. For example, you made a mistake in college and you stop by your professor and tell her, I screwed up my homework.
I messed up. I screwed up. And
Number 9 is what's up. That replaces hi or hello as a casual greeting. It's a way of asking how someone has been doing, but you don't have to start telling the story how you spent your vacation. The best answer would be nothing much, or I'm good, or just say hi.
Dude, Damien. True. What? How you doing, Dude, man? I just saw you.
Number 10 is to have a blast. Means that something is amazing or you had a great time. For example, you went to the concert and your friend asked you how was it? You can say it was awesome, I had a blast.
Well, I had a blast yesterday. I had the best time ever. I had a blast.
Please write down in the comments below if you ever used these slang words and phrases and how did you like this video, and if you want me to shoot another one with more slang words. Please subscribe so you don't miss the new video, and thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon.